use of antibiotics in animals could generate resistance in humans? Yes. Now let's dive in. Hi everyone, I'm Nurse Patrick. Let's talk about the use of antibiotics in animals that could generate resistance in humans. Now, first, let's talk about you using antibiotics or other medications for your livestock at home or animals. So we do use, yes, some antibiotics such as metronidazole, tetracycline, and even some types of medications such as PCM and other medications. So when you take these antibiotics to your animals, yes, it do work for them. They recover, they become better, but what happens is that they tend to generate resistance. Why? Because these antibiotics have what you call natural mutation or gene resistance. So these antibiotics are not totally eradicated. Some that are susceptible get to be eradicated, but others get resistant to these antibiotics due to the mutation, the natural mutation, and the gene resistance of these microorganisms. Now, when these microorganisms become resistant in the body of the animals, they begin to multiply and form a population called antibiotic resistance microorganisms. So these antibiotic resistance microorganisms are being transferred to humans. So how are they transferred into human body? The route of transmission is through what? 1. Contaminated water. 2. Not properly cooked meat. 3. Through your contaminated food. And we also have some environmental factors. You can also contract them through your rivers, your contaminated soil, and so on. So when these microorganisms get into the human body, what happens is that they are already resistant to that particular antibiotic. So when you are taking medication, that particular antibiotic, to eradicate them, they seem to be resistant and symptoms persist. So when these symptoms persist, you discover that using that particular class of antibiotic will no longer work to stop that illness, and symptoms keep on. So what is the remedy now? The only remedy is to use a different class of antibiotic or a stronger antibiotic to totally eradicate that particular microorganisms. So I hope this video is helpful. This video is helpful to you. Don't forget to share it to 𝐀𝐍𝐈𝐒 and Ebuka so that they can also learn and take precaution. Thank you so much, and don't forget, like and subscribe for more videos like this. Bye.
It's some pro.